representing countries from around the world. Model United Nations students from across the district are at Hilton Head Island High School debating global issues as they practice for an upcoming conference.
I'm representing the Kingdom of Denmark today, and so far I've learned that they're a very, very progressive country in terms of human rights and accessibility for citizens, and it's kind of desirable to have a similar structure to Denmark, in my opinion.
I'm going to be representing Belarus, and it's an Eastern European country, formerly part of the Soviet Union, and they still maintain close ties with Russia, and they're a oil exporter.
I am Switzerland. I've learned that Switzerland is a very neutral country with a lot of great economic strides and a lot of great policies. They're more of a socialist country with having universal health care and universal rights and stuff like that.
Just like the real United Nations, the students present resolutions that are debated and voted on.
Whenever you're doing the resolutions and you're doing Model UN, you're not thinking as an individual, you're not thinking about what do you want, you're kind of thinking about how that country, how its people would react to the different things. And so it's taking you into different perspectives of other people around the world.
It gives you a better perspective of an issue. It's not like a one-sided, it gives you a broader scope of every issue, and it lets you kind of understand every angle of a topic, and it's a better way to form your own opinion on issues as well. I've came into this with an opinion, and it's been changed really quick after a little bit of research and hearing what other people have to say about it.
The students enjoy being in the Model United Nations, learning about different countries and important worldwide affairs.
I think Model United Nations is a great opportunity for kids to communicate and learn how to communicate diplomatically. It also gives a great opportunity for kids to learn outside of the region and learn about other countries in our global world.
So as a student, I've always enjoyed having a more dynamic approach and being kind of immersed into the actual real life experience of education. So I feel like this structure of learning is teaching me a lot about global affairs and different cultures and different world experiences.
In January, the students will be traveling to Georgia Southern University to take part in a 3-day Model United Nations conference with other high school students from South Carolina and other nearby states. At Hilton Head Island High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
One written by Saudi Arabia.